Through Fulcrum's advanced reporting capabilities, organizations can easily configure and generate PDF reports from the data collected in Fulcrum. In this use case, I'll walk through how a Fulcrum app used for wetland determination delineation can collect form entries in a Fulcrum record and allow users on their mobile app and/or Fulcrum desktop the ability to download the PDF report. Before diving into how the report for wetland determination was built, we must analyze and understand the current form being used by environmental consultancies and agencies today. Currently, companies today go through the manual process of using Adobe Acrobat or pen and paper, or maybe even Excel, to type out or write out the report. And the report needs to be filled out accurately as it is required by the United States Army Corps of Engineers for companies to complete before any construction activities can occur. This establishes the location and extent of those wetlands to comply federally and at all state and local levels. Therefore, to help with efficiency, Fulcrum allows organizations to take forms such as the Wetland Determination Data Form and build out the form entry fields using the drag and drop capability in the Fulcrum App Builder. We can leverage various field types, we can leverage sections, visibility rules, and even calculations to ensure accurate data entry in the Fulcrum app. In addition, Fulcrum provides the ability to recreate the form template in the Advanced Report Builder to generate a PDF version of the data collected from the Fulcrum fields. This process removes the manual process of looking and trying to fill out a piece of paper in attempts of remembering percentage restrictions and calculations. Furthermore, you can enhance the form template to include photos taken of the wetland or of areas of interest and have them printed at the bottom pages of the Wetland Determination Data Form from the Fulcrum Photos field. Okay, awesome. So now we have a Fulcrum app and report that's currently built. Let's see the final result and how both Fulcrum Mobile and the record list view allow users to easily generate the PDF report from their handheld device or computer. Jumping over to Fulcrum Mobile, we'll be able to see the Fulcrum app called Wetland Determination app on my screen. By clicking on the app, we can see the map view of the locations, specifically records, of previously collected and submitted data by those in the field. These records, the points on the map, allow users to have access to the previously submitted Fulcrum forms with the entries in the applicable fields. Let's quickly analyze a couple of fields in the form to understand how easy to use the interface is for entering data. For example, we can see the sample plot overview, additional sample plot information sections, where there are fields stored in each section that allow us to drill into them, and then be able to respond and collect and enter additional information or data as it pertains to those fields. Additionally, we can see other sections such as the hydrology, and also we can see the vegetation sections of the form that leverage fields such as calculations to help ensure accuracy around the data collected and entered by the field user. Now, after seeing how field users can easily make modifications to the Fulcrum record in the Fulcrum fields, biologists, ecologists, engineers, and inspectors can click the bottom left-hand button in the quick access bar to generate the exact PDF report template, which was curated through the Advanced Report Builder to be able to output the wetland determination data form. Here we can see and look over the responses, and if something needs to be updated or changed, we can easily make those modifications in the Fulcrum field on the handheld device that we're currently working on. In addition, with the PDF report generated automatically, we have the ability to click the top right-hand button to share and send the report via email, text message, or even download it locally to the device. Let's return back to Fulcrum Desktop, where we can see the Fulcrum record list view and analyze the Fulcrum records that were collected through the Fulcrum mobile device so that users can easily download the PDF report on desktop as well. Now, navigating here to Fulcrum record list view, we can see that we've got a map view and a table view. Hovering over each record in the table view presents the label on the map's display. We can create a new record in here within Fulcrum record list view. We can also make edits and changes to the Fulcrum record here within the record list view. Let's go ahead and click on the print button in order to generate the PDF report for the wetland determination data form. In a couple of seconds, the report will be generated and we'll be able to see the wetland determination data form filled out in completedness. Throughout this demonstration, we saw Fulcrum's advanced form logic and reporting capabilities to enhance your field data collection efforts on both mobile and web interfaces. We also saw how Fulcrum provides rules and calculations throughout the form to ensure accurate data collection and to generate the PDF report in the correct format. If you're interested in exploring how to apply this to your own use case, feel free to reach out to us at www.fulcrumapp.com. We'd love to connect with you and tailor a solution for your team and your requirements. Thank you.